sure.
Okay, guys, for our first Damn the Snacks episode, we're outside 7-Eleven, and we got all this stuff. We're gonna make something with it. Snacks. We'll do one dish.
One dish.
Okay. Together.
Yeah.
Figure it out. Okay, so what's the first thing we're gonna get right?
We need to figure out our protein, right?
Protein. Yeah. Oh, they got Spam, dude.
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Right there. I mean, they got the whole shelf
They do.
here.
Yeah.
Is that cheating? Is this cheating? Would it be overkill to do a breakfast donut Spam sandwich? That could be good.
Do you wanna bread the Spam? Do you wanna do Dorito crust?
I mean, I found the best ingredient. Hot and spicy pickle bites.
We just take the egg from an already made sandwich.
Beautiful glazed donuts just for us. We got American cheese,
We got Doritos
breakfast sandwich, and donuts.
and donuts.
You need mayo for it, or like any aioli thing you want to make for it?
We could use the free ones, right?
Yeah, 100%.
Maybe like
Tapatio aioli.
mix that with the mayo.
Yeah.
Call it good.
Love it. Let's do it. Ooh, nacho cheese.
Free mayo packets and tapatio packets.
All right, well, first thing first, the most important thing is you open the package, take it out, open it up slowly, not too fast.
Remove the egg.
Remove the egg.
Careful. Oh, perfect.
Hey.
With grace.
You know,
And we're done.
Do you know how to recreate these? You want me to show you?
Is it microwave?
It's check it out.
That
Well, I mean, you can microwave it,
It
but
looks microwaved. It looks like a microwaved egg. Does it not?
take an egg, obviously,
Okay. Just any egg?
any egg, baking powder.
Ah.
Oh, so it is microwave.
Yeah.
I mean,
There
you can cook it on the pan. Chef Mike over here. Chef Mike. And then we're left with this spongy egg thing. Check that out. See, it's like a spongy looking egg. So try it out, kids. Put some baking powder in your eggs and you might end up with that. All right, what are we doing?
Yes, chef.
I need you guys to break the Doritos.
Should we just put it in the food processing?
I wanted you guys to do it with hand. It's actually very important to do it by hand because it's more labor intensive.
All right, who could do it faster, me
Right?
or Matt?
Right? The
By
rate.
hand or food processor?
There we go. Smooth.
Mine's a little chonkier.
We can smooth it out. All right, we've got this. Now what?
Now we're gonna bread the Spam.
Yes, chef. Yes, chef.
So we need a little breading station. Crack 2 eggs in here, and then we'll have to open the Spam.
Okay.
The one-handed crack.
The one-handed crack.
All right, Liam's first time with a Japanese whisk. Look at that form, dude.
Look at the hand motion. You know, I feel like you're
harder,
saying you
right?
can't before you try it, and now I feel like this video is gonna be, how long can Liam whisk today?
Comment down below how long you think it took Liam.
Ooh, look at that.
Is that satisfying, Michael?
We only have 1 egg, so we'll split that in half.
Oh,
You can always make another one.
That is,
Yeah.
no. In Japan, when you bread, you don't use your hands and use chopsticks. So you can keep your hands.
Wait, do you need a landing pad?
It's actually...
Yes, I do actually. Because your hands always get dirty, but if you do it like this,
Keep your hands clean, just use chopstick.
Oh, beautiful, dude.
right?
Okay.
Spam coated in Doritos.
Okay.
All right, you guys want to bread the other ones?
Sure, dude. What do we do here? In chopsticks only?
Chopsticks only.
All right, all right.
You want to make sure it's coated properly all the way.
Why don't you just use gloves?
What? And then drop.
See, this I can do. Kind of pack it, right?
Yeah.
Spam Dorito. Yes. Flour.
Yeah.
Hey, look at that.
Hey, y'all, look at that.
There you go.
Yeah, just make sure it's coated in that flour's not showing ideally.
There we go. Oh wait,
God,
no,
how
the flour
fast
started showing. And then boom.
We got some mayo. A little bit of tapatio.
I'm gonna add some pickle juice in here.
This was free, by the way. So this is a free sauce. We'll call it the Sev secret sauce.
Sev
This is
secret
going
sauce.
in the cookbook, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, it tastes good.
Right?
It's
Right?
spicier than I thought it was going to be, actually. It's hot and
It's
spicy
hot and
pickle.
spicy pickle.
Okay. There you go.
I like to flick a tiny bit of water in. Because like the pop kind of tells me how hot it is.
You see it boil.
That's hot.
Shall we? Just drop it in at the same time.
Oh, I took over your space, sorry.
It's okay, it's hard when there's 3 guys, you know.
Yeah.
Bunch of aromas would be yummy. Yeah, let's do that.
We got this at 7-Eleven. Michael, stand closer to the pan.
Look at that.
What do we want the internal temperature of the Spam to be?
To be cooked. Let's try flipping. This is the fanciest Spam katsu.
Ooh, beautiful.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
So So the idea is to make sure that you are using your knife.
Do you open these
length.
with a fork or a knife?
What?
That you could eat with a spoon.
Yes.
Oh, the butter toss. Look at that.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah, dude.
That looks
It's so
great.
soft. Oh, it's doing like the whole like
Tanghulu?
Yeah.
Tanghulu?
It's got to cool down so the sugar gets crunchy.
I actually had tanghulu before I even knew what tanghulu was.
Check this out, Michael. Look at this right here.
It's gonna explode.
5,
Watch.
4, 3,
Oh, there we go.
2, 1. Done. That's an egg. Comment down below which plate is better, right or left?
I
Or is this
know.
left or right? I can't tell. Is it my right, their left? Dude, look at this though.
Look at the egg.
He's cutting it super thin.
Because we only have one. I'm not trying to
You
do.
learn this in restaurants.
Yes.
That's how you save money.
Shall we build? Look at that. The sugar's like solidified. Sauce first. Mmm. The way that melts, that's real cheese, kids. Oh, I forgot the egg. Stable bottom.
Kind of looks like we're making a Spam McGriddle.
Right?
Right?
Get that form.
Yeah. You got it?
Is that all of it?
I think so.
And top on.
Oh, that looks great.
That's a sandwich.
Shall we?
That's a sandwich.
There we go.
One for Michael too.
Look at that.
You wanna try this, Michael?
Let's go.
It smells like McDonald's.
Damn the snacks.
Damn the snacks.
Is it bad that it's good?
I actually really like the sweet donut.
It's really
I like
good.
the crunchy from the sugar.
It's good, but I feel bad eating it.
Yeah, it's super unhealthy.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
My body's screaming at me right now, but tastes delicious actually.
I'm okay with that.
Smash like, subscribe.